Hey, beta users, Merry Christmas. It's Tom here, and we are just going into commercial preview with TakeOffBot, and I want to show you some of the awesome stuff that we figured out since our last release. As soon as you open the drawing, you're going to notice that we have pre-populated the tree here with all of the drawing numbers and all the page names. You see that we've also broken out all the floor plans, all the elevations already into the tree. And so you can, walk through your drawing just like you would any PDF. But when you get to your floor plans, see they've already been tagged, and you can walk through them one at a time with this handy little navigation. You'll highlighted all of the navigation callouts. And so as soon as you double click one, it brings up the corresponding plan. So here we have drawing 15 and 16. Well, here's drawing 15 and 16 on the right page, highlighted, so we know where to find them. You'll see the products are already found. You can take this window, pop it out onto another screen if you want. Anyway, it's really amazing. And then we made improvements to our pricing model and made that easier to access. You'll also see that in our account settings, we're now set for you to have a whole team of people working in the program. You can grant access to members of your team, and set up your global library. Really just a lot of astounding progress. So we're in commercial preview. We're going to be going live before long. So we'd really love you to try it out, upload some files, give it a spin, and give us your feedback. So Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you in the new year.